Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom and watch on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in and choosing your account within, you will be taken into your Netflix homepage, where you can see the various recommendations of movies. Now, when you open up any show that you want to watch, the show will begin playing in its original screen mode. Now, you can change this by using the pinch and drag option to zoom out, and you can pinch and drag in to zoom in as well. While there is not much flexibility in the level of zoom, you can still use these two zoom modes in order to enjoy your show. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to zoom while you are watching on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.